Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to set DKIM records for Hostinger email hosting. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. And next to your domain name, click on mailboxes. Here you will see the available email accounts on this account. Now click on connect domain, and here switch to increase email deliverability. Here you will see the DKIM records that you need to add to using DNS on your domain. So let's start, but before start adding those expected or DKIM records, I want to explain you something, which is this or adding DKIM is different from a domain provider to another, but it's just different on an interface level. But if you understand this, you can apply it on all domain providers. In my case, my domain is registered on Hostinger, but on a different account, which is this one. Now, if I click on domains, I can see my domain name. Click on manage. Now switch to DNS/name servers. The keyword here is name servers or DNS, which stands for domain name servers. Here, scroll down to manage DNS records and return to your Hostinger email account. Let's start with the first record or DKIM record, which is a CNAME type. So here, select CNAME. This is it. Now the name of the record is this one. It is better to copy it using this copying icon to avoid any errors. Let's delete this and paste the value I copied. Now let's also add or copy the value and paste it in this target field. And for the TTL, it's 300. Let's type 300 and click on add record. As you see, DNS record created successfully. Let's repeat the same process for the other records. CNAME. This is the value or the name, and this is the value to add to the target field, and for the TTL is 300. Click on add record. DNS added successfully. Same thing for the third record. Search for CNAME. Paste. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Paste this here, then copy the third value and paste it here, and for the TTL it's 300. Click on add record, and once all of those three DKIM DNS records are added successfully, return back to this page and click on check status. And just like that, the current records will match or should match the expected records. And this is, as you see here, DKIM records has the connected green status next to it. And this is how to And this is how to set DKIM records for hosting your email hosting. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.